Hello and good afternoon. My name is Gerald Reynolds and I have a child at Harborview Elementary, and I've decided to enter in the contest in order to attract the attention and notify the parents and guardians of the upcoming field day we are having. I chose to use the color yellow because, according to Robin Landa, who is a visual communications expert, the color yellow is associated with spring and joy, and our field day is being held in spring, and it always brings us joy. Rob Landa, a visualized communication expert, states that straight lines perceive an organization to be reliable, which is why I decided to use dashed straight lines in order to tell our parents and guardians that we are reliable and ready for field day. The reason I chose to use the X and Y axis is because it balances the flyer so that it's easy on the eyes and ensures that we grab the attention of the parents and guardians right off the bat and keep their attention being held. While looking at the contrast of the image put into the background, I wanted to be able to draw their attention to the image first and then the information above the image so that they can see what the flyer was about before even reading it. I hope you choose my flyer, and it would bring my child and I much joy to know that our flyer won the contest, and we look forward to participating in this year's field day event. Thank you and have a nice day.